Got lights on inside. Yep.
See if we can get on there. Let's stage on this one.
Okay.
That's the primary one here.
Can I get in that way or this way?
Stay on that one. Stay on that one.
Okay. Gonna have to go this way.
Okay, Sheriff's on search warrant! Open the front door! Okay, Sheriff's on search warrant! Open the front door! Feels pretty stiff.
Sheriff's Office, we have a search warrant for your residence. Open the door.
Okay, Sheriff's on search warrant! Open the front door!
Residents of
Open the front door!
Last
Open the front door! Come out!
waiting on sheriff.
We got movement!
Let me see your hands! Hands up! Hands up! Come out, come out.
Stay right there!
Yep.
Give me hands.
Come out to us now, sir!
Watch the cable, get involved.
Come to the front door, do it now! Come on out, Brian!
Is there anybody else in the house?
Hey, we got contact in this front room.
2 other occupants. Got one. You got him?
Snatch him.
Hands up!
Keep coming. Keep coming. Hold me, hold me.
Over here, over here, over here, over here.
Hands up! The search warrant! Anyone else in the residence? Come out to us!
Got him. Watch out, watch out. Get this tightened up a little bit. You can take him to the back. Sir. Go this way, go right. Come around to the back. I'm gonna pat you down again. All right, turn around, sit down. Sit down. Frank, you good?
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna go grab the other one.